Hey, to set your photo or picture as always on display on the Realme GT 6, first of all, you will have to go into the settings. Then you will have to enter for the wallpaper and the style, and then you will have to select always on display. And now you will have to select this one, the text and the image. So click here, and now we can pick something from this photos, but you can also switch to the albums. Select whatever you want. In my case, I'm gonna get this apple. Now, when you pinch this, you can actually make it bigger or smaller. I'm gonna take it like this. Here we can round the corners of the picture if we want. And we can also add the image blur. Below we can enter the text. Click outside to close it. And now we can change the text color and even text size. Below the text boldness, alignment, and location of the text. And now you can click apply to confirm, and it's finished. Right now, please subscribe.